Alright, so this is going to be a quick video. Going to be replacing the OEM gray rear view mirror with a black one. I have basically redone the headliner with some suede that I got off of Amazon. Came out alright. There's a few spots where it wrinkled up, getting into these tight spots for the grab handles. You can see it there, but other than that, it came out pretty nice. But I want to replace this with a black one. I'm going to be replacing these with black ones. I've repainted you can see there, I repainted the grab handles black, repainted the A pillars, B pillars, and C pillars black. Going to be taking out the carpet and either giving it a good wash or replacing it with a somewhat newer one because they don't make these anymore. I have a big hole down here that I cut out because the heel of not only my shoes but previous owner's shoes had eaten through the carpet and it was starting to eat up into the foam. So yeah, let's go and install the one that I just bought off of Amazon. Here's the part number and information. I'll always put links down in the description. If you check out those links, I do get a small commission if you purchase anything. Well, that didn't work out. And that does help the channel. So here's the replacement. And to take out the original one, whether you're replacing it with a different color or if you're replacing the windshield, you just grab the base and twist it counterclockwise. And there's the mount. And then you just reinstall the opposite way. I gotta use both hands with this, so you gotta push it in pretty hard and then twist until it stops. So there it is. That's a new one. I mean, it's on there, so right, there it is, good to go. Links will be down in the description. I'll put links for the suede headliner and also to the adhesive. And catch you guys in the next one.